Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to find your bank account details in Scotiabank online. Open the website, then click Sign In. To sign in, enter your username or card number. Then enter your password. Once you're signed in, you will see a tab for account details. Click on Account Details. On this page, you will see a blue text that says Show Account Number and Details. To proceed, click on Show Account Number and Details. And now you will be able to see your bank account details. That's how to find your bank account details in Scotiabank online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.